Guys, I'm Rashmi and welcome back to my channel. So, did you check my previous video? Come on, you need to check it out. By the way, that video is on, English and reading books. So, you must be wondering now, English and reading books, what is that? So, it's a combined video that I have made on implementing, some habits through reading and how to get command over English language through reading only. So you need to check it out, and today we're going to be talking about Ikigai. I have also mentioned if you want to start your reading habit, Ikigai is the best book to start with. Why? Because it gives you small things that you can implement in your life while improving your language and at the same time having some really good habits inculcated in yourself, in your daily routine. So let's start. Ikigai. So what actually writers talk about? He talks about to find a purpose in life. So it is very important to live or to have some purpose in life. There is no any point of getting up and doing nothing and maybe having a regular routine while alive, but you aren't happy, right? So that's not a purpose in your life. It's just like you're living the life with hardly having any happiness. Whereas living life with a purpose, it's always like it changes you a lot from within. It changes you a lot to your best, and you start to feel like the difference in yourself. So try to find the purpose in your life. Now, purpose, Ikigai means a purpose. Ikigai means itself a passion. Yes. Now, passion, what is that? I have already talked about that, how to find it and how to understand what's a passion and all that. So I will link it below, and you can check it out and do let me know how did you find it. Today it is also about that, but in a different way, because in earlier video of mine I have talked about only passion, how to find it. So today Ikigai is about not only finding passion, but it is also keeping yourself healthy. Yes. So you know what? Once you find Ikigai, you keep yourself happy. You keep yourself, content. You keep yourself mentally and physically healthy. In many ways, you keep yourself to your best. To your best. So how to do that? You know what? Writer has mentioned about 4 questions. He has mentioned what you love, what the world needs, what you can be paid for, and what you are good at. These 4 things has some meaning. So first is what you love, and what the world needs is your mission. Okay, so what the world needs and what you can be paid for is your vocation. Then what you are good at, what you can be paid for and what you are good at is your profession, and what you are good at and what you love is your passion. And these whole things combines as Ikigai. So you know what, if you find like what you love and what are you good at, and once you find your passion, once you find your Ikigai, so it's very easier to live on the life. And how? Well, it is being said that whenever you are happy from within, you keep the rest of the people happy. And it is very true, guys. So don't say that if she and he and your family will be happy, then you will be happy. This is not going to be happen. You have to be happy first, and then only the people will be happy around you. So make sure that you are giving your 100%. Rest people will give you 100% as well. So it's equal equation always. So about this, what writer says, what Ikigai is about also having a long life. So do you want a long life? I am just okay with it. Okay. So Ikigai means the happiness of always being busy. So yeah, I love being busy. Every day I'm having my schedule and I make sure that I'm following it. Also, Ikigai means the art of staying young while growing old. As I have mentioned, he has mentioned about the long life. So the long life needs a lot of stuff. Like you have to be happy. You need to have some Ikigai. You need to have good diet. You need to be doing exercise. You also should be meditating. So these all things combines as Ikigai, which automatically helps you to live a long life. And for that, everything happens slowly. So you need to make sure that you are inculcating good habits in you from today itself. Then only it will be going to help you in the long run. Coming back to this, Ikigai means it is hidden deep inside each of us. and finding it requires a patient search. Yeah, it requires, patience. You need to search on that. You need to understand yourself first. Lots of people ask me that how did you find your passion, how are you so happy, there are so many problems or obstacles you are facing, but we look at you and you are so inspiring. So how this happens that when you find purpose in your life, it's very easy for you, to go on, to move on, no matter what. And that's the ikigai, guys. That's the ikigai. For me, I'm having 3-4 ikigais, and everyone can have these many ikigais or more than that. Whatever keeps you happy, that is your ikigai. For me, see, reading is my ikigai. Acting is anytime. Making videos anytime, and being socially, present on YouTube, on Instagram. This is also one of my ikigai nowadays. I have developed. So you can also search it on. You need to understand your own self, and that's gonna be helping you in the long run. Also, see, in Japanese culture, it is been said that it is very important to have a purpose in life, and there is no any idea of getting retired. It doesn't exist over there. How? Well, because these people are so happy that they are making sure of each and everything every day, about eating, about being happy, about doing whatever they love. They are making sure they're doing whatever they love only. So it is very easy for them to keep moving on, keep going on for to have that long life. Also, there is the idea, it has been said, you must be wondering why Rashmi is talking about eating habits and all. It is very important, guys. Don't eat just because you might waste something or something. Rather than that, just give it to someone who really wants to eat. You can help those people. So it has been said that just eat 80%, and it means if you're hungry, don't eat like 100% or more than that. Eat 80% and leave 20% that as it is. I know you must be wondering how that gonna be helping you, but it is going to help you in the long run, guys. It is always good to eat a bit less, and that not only gonna be keeping your digestion in good situation, but at the same time it will gonna be helping you mentally as well. So it will keep you keep you away from your sleeping things at least in the afternoon, and at night also. It is being said anyway, if you are following the diet, you must be aware that you should not eat too much at night. So make sure of keeping yourself like 80% full, not more than that. And it is being followed in Japan as well to keep themselves healthy. They make sure that they are eating that way, and also they are having a habit of drinking green tea, which automatically helps them to keep their body in shape. That automatically helps them keep them mentally fit, which indirectly help them to be happy. And on that happy point, they also definitely, they all have ikigai. They are born with that only. And some of the people have suggested like, be water, my friend. It means just be like water. Simple. It just be like water. And wherever you go, flow like that. You know what? I think मैंने मराठी में सुना था कि पत्ते मराठी में नहीं शायद. I just don't remember. But as much as I have remember or recollecting those words, it's like किसी पत्ते में पानी को डालो या किसी और चीज़ में डालो. It takes the shape of that. So you need to make sure of doing so. That also gonna be helping you to be happy. There is no any point of keeping yourself holding grudges and keeping yourself angry on every other thing the people are doing. So let it be. Be like water. Be like water and just be happy. Actually there is a lot more to it, and for that I think I would suggest go and get the book, read it out. I'll also mention the link below. And I hope that you really like this video. And keep watching. I don't know what to say. Keep watching and have fun.